I met with her, and she said I need to talk to my son. And I was there. I'd had the permission to do the Medicare supplement, but he's like, then he calls me and he's like, "Mom's telling me that she's needing long-term care, and I'm just not sure she can afford it, and I'm not sure that she really needs it." And I said, "Well, I understand," because he said she didn't have many assets. And I said, "I understand what you're saying about assets, but whatever she has, she would like to hold on to rather than lose it. So if you can help protect it and then she has the option to at least pass that on to you boys, that makes sense. And if that didn't mean anything to you," and he said it didn't. He said, "We're fine. We don't need mom's money." I said, "Okay." The other thing that I want you to think about is when your mother gets sick, if she does, you want her to go to the most desirable places. And I'm not here running down any, but there's some places that are Kias, and there's some places Cadillacs. And I didn't say that back then, but I did say there's a difference in one car to another. And the bottom line is, you want your mom, like everybody, to be in the best place you can get her into, and you don't want money to be the issue. So what I would recommend, and he ended up paying the majority of the premium for his mother, because she really didn't have assets. But he agreed that he wanted her to be like in Decatur, and at that time he lived in Decatur. He knew the ones that were more desirable, less desirable, and so there's a big money difference between those. And so he opted for the insurance. And there's a couple times the insurance had rate increases. He goes, I don't know if mom needs this. I just don't know if I should keep this or not. And I'm like, you know what? It's your call, but if you can afford to do it, I would do it. And then lo and behold, she started showing signs of dementia and leaving the stove on and getting lost, and the neighbors, she went out for a walk and couldn't find her way back home. So they were like, and he had left for Arizona. "I think we're going to try to get her in a place there." Well, then her one son that lives up in Minnesota said, "I don't want her in a place there where she's not going to have any visitors. What's the chances that
Right.
we can get her up here?" And I said, "That's perfect. The insurance will pay in any state that you reside in. I mean, anywhere you want her to be." And so they wanted all the information off the insurance company and insurance policy, and they took it to some nursing homes up there that they was looking at, and they got all that done without her even getting there. And then when she got there, she started out in what they'd call intermediate care, where wasn't getting a lot of. She was still able to function pretty much, and she's now to a point where she knows nobody, but they've paid, what do you say, 180,000. He wanted his mother to be in one of the more nicer places that they could afford, and the insurance allowed him to do that.